There we go.
Yep, let's go. Remember on the right. One ran towards left, one ran toward left. Got you covered, man. You can move. Wolfman, you're direct 12. Ain't 11 o'clock. Dang it. Moving to our hotel, moving to hotel. Excuse me, sir. Oh! I'm okay.
No, I just saw the barrel.
Oh man, I took a tumble, but I'm good.
You kill yourself?
No, I mean I took a tumble.
Oh my God. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Where'd you fall off?
Oh no, I tripped.
Yeah.
Threw the grenade. I ran, missed, and
It's all getting filled in at that level. That's why it's just pre-state right now.
yeah. Oh crap. Hi, little bit. I see you, buddy.
Admin.
Thank you for letting me know. I am both a good sportsman and trying to kill the guy. Oh, friendly, friendly! Friendly in the hotel, friendly in the hotel! Oh my God, thank you. Ah, hit! Good shot, good shot. Yeah, just hold on to that for me. Trying to get to your LMG still?
No, I got shot like 2 steps away from saloon.
I bet you it's Gene. Ah! Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Gene, that you? Is that you over there, Gene? Oh. Oh, hit. Ah. Oh, man. Mid-reload, too. Oh, ha, ha. Heck in. Coming after that man. I'm going after him in the trench. If anyone wants to back me up, that'd be great. Alright. There goes one guy in the trench. Don't be so close. That way if I go down, you can get him. Yeah, he's down, he's down. We got one coming up. Wolfman, me and Mike is in the trench on the right. We're trying to engage two guys. Micah, how we looking? I'm on your right. Far back! Far back! Wolfman, Gene's moving left, he's moving left.
Out of behind the saloon, really.
Move to the trench, move to the trench. We gonna bunny hop this? Wolfman, be warned, there's one guy over here at hotel. It's the gas blowback guy. You still over here, Hunter? You could thank Hunter for that one, wherever he is.
Nice.
Yeah, no. It's sneaky. Nice shot, dude.
Thank you.
No, this one.
Ah! Right in the face! Oh.
That was my bad. I distracted him. You're welcome. Oh, good God, dude. I felt that through my ear. Man, you just trigger finger happy. Look at admin coming out of this building right here. No shooting, Martha.
Dead man coming out of the building!
I was trying to do that, and all of a sudden the BB's in the air.
I'll still fist bump you, man. That was.
Trigger finger.
I'll still fist bump you, and that was a great sneak. Oh man.
Oh crap! That's game over.
Oh man.
GoPro, stop recording. Listen.